Hello everyone, welcome back to that Cyber Guy. So today we are going to discuss a very important question. Do I need a degree to get into cybersecurity? Now, buckle up, let's get started.
Learn cybersecurity in no time.
You should be very proud of yourself. With over 50 videos that we release, starting from setting up your own cybersecurity lab, and then have like shorts, and then give you resume reviews, etc. You have a great foundation about cybersecurity. Now, to answer this question, do I need a college degree to get into cybersecurity? So the honest answer is it depends. So because my story is not your story, somebody else's story is not your story. But one thing I know that is true is that in order for you to be successful, not only in cybersecurity, but in anything in life, it requires a commitment. So as soon as you're committed, degrees they are just papers. And it is unfortunate many times in many cybersecurity job descriptions, you see that they ask for college degrees or a bachelor, etc. But many organizations nowadays, they don't even ask for college degrees. They just want to make sure that you're capable, that you're going to be able to get the work done. So let me just go over my computer so I can share my screen so we can go over more. Alright guys, so as you can see here right now, I am on the YouTube channel and then into our playlist section. So cybersecurity is very broad. Sometimes if you're a beginner, the term by itself may confuse you because many times people think cybersecurity is all about getting into people's computers or protecting computers, but it is way more than that because you have risk, you have governance, you have authentication, you have attack. Cybersecurity is not about like penetration testing or like when you're watching a movie you see with a couple comments somebody's inside your computer. So it doesn't work that way. So that's why we have a very comprehensive playlist so you guys can get started. If this is the first time that you are watching our video, make sure that you just go start from the operating system playlist and then install the required operating system that you're going to use to do the lab. Our subject for today was, do you need a degree, a college degree to get into cybersecurity? So the answer is you need to understand the basics of cybersecurity. For example, the CIA, confidentiality, integrity, and availability. So you need to understand that because if you go to our shorts as well, we have a bunch of shorts that have some what is a rat, the remote access trojan, what is the CIA, what is phishing, etc. So cybersecurity, step to avoid cyber attack, etc. And then what I will encourage you to do as well, you can actually follow us on Instagram and Facebook and even Twitter, because on those platforms we just release cyber tips almost every week. So the second thing that you're going to need is a passion, curiosity, and then a reputable platform where you can actually follow, learn cybersecurity. Try not to look for someone that is taking advantage of you, charging you thousands of dollars, or try to just go to YouTube. You don't have to like follow that cyber guy. Follow the YouTube platform, go to Udemy, and then Coursera, etc. to just learn the core skills. But no, in my case, I needed a degree when I started because I love learning. In my case, I came to the US as an immigrant. It was very difficult, to prove, I was, able to do anything. So that's why I went for a degree. But what you need to be successful in cybersecurity, it is way more about motivation and the skills. And the skills nowadays is very hard to find like the quality of skills. That's why we just started that free channel for you guys to just learn cybersecurity for free. And then if I go, I can actually go like cybersecurity analysis, like is the thing that many people talk about when they just start in cybersecurity. But the best thing that you can learn about cybersecurity is like help desk. Help desk is very critical. If you find an help desk position, is very important for you to just take advantage of it, because what this gonna do is gonna allow you to actually learn, have the customer skills, and then you will be exposed to all kind of problems, ticketing problems, Wi-Fi doesn't work, computer blue screens, you name it. So this is gonna be critical for you to just go. And then the other thing that you're gonna need is certification. When it comes to certification, if you go into our playlist, you're gonna see cybersecurity certification. The only cybersecurity certification I have is Security Plus. At some point I'll try to get the CISSP, but as of now, I don't think it's important for me. So the Security Plus is very cheap, and it will allow you to just really digest the cybersecurity skills. And the third thing that you're going to need is some cloud skills. It's very important to have cloud skills, because many organizations now, they are moving or using the cloud. So that's why at some point we are going to just, in our next videos, we are going to just cover cloud security and cloud, so you guys can just fully be prepared. So as a summary, I can say you do not need a college degree to be successful or to get into cybersecurity. But if you do not have it, you're going to need to work harder, to just get into the field, because many people with college degrees, they cannot even get into cybersecurity because they only have the paper, but they don't have the required skills. It is very unfortunate nowadays, even with college degrees, that you see that you spend a lot of money, but you do not have the relevant skills to get into the field. Cybersecurity is very exciting. For example, we can just skip that cybersecurity analysis. The reason why I bring you here is because many times, if you're a beginner, you think that cybersecurity analysis is the only way to get started, but you can start as an help desk that can help you a lot. So if you like looking at cybersecurity jobs, so this is very true. Cybersecurity jobs is like let's see, in the US 2024. So you can see like, yeah, it's a lot of results here on Google. And to be honest with you, I know that if you're like looking for cybersecurity job, it might be very frustrating because nobody reached back out to you. But to be honest with you, the problem that we have in the field of cybersecurity is the talent issues. Because sometimes when you interview someone, their resume look good and they went to college, but when you ask some deep questions, so it's very hard to find the talent. That's why if you go to our injection attack, I would please beg you guys to understand injection attack. XSS, SQL injection, cross-site scripting, cross-site request forgery. Because when an interviewer asks you that questions, and when you're gonna answer it, and they are going to ask you to answer it in a technical way to give like an example, it's very important for you to just understand that. And the other thing is like about networking, the OSI model is very critical for you to understand the OSI model, and we have that into our networking section, etc. Now if you have any questions, I want you to interact. If you have any questions or concern or need any help, please feel free to put them into the comment below, because I really want to hear your feedback about that, because you've been told and you've seen on the social media, over the internet, that do you need a cybersecurity degree to get into the field? But what I'm telling you this morning is that you don't need a degree. You just need to have the skills. And how do you get the skills? There's no excuse for us nowadays to just not learn cybersecurity, because mostly all these tools, they are for free. All right, if you found this interesting, if you haven't subscribed yet, so don't miss out. So make sure that you subscribe, like, and share, and follow us on our social media platforms. Make sure that you just comment. If you have any comment, I'd like to see your thought about that subject. Thank you.